Hey, it's Industry Day at the range, and we're over here at Magna Lenses, which I have on right now. So, being a shotgun shooter for all those years, for 20 plus years, one of the biggest problems they have is when you're wearing safety glasses going inside the earmuffs. So, unless you're wearing inner ear protection, most of us wear the clamshell earmuffs. The problem is when you're wearing the safety glasses, it actually opens up a crack and creates louder than normal noises. So what's great about the Magna lenses is they're connected via magnet to the external part here, and they're really rock solid. We've fitted them to me, and they're not going anywhere. And it's fantastic, and you can get different colored lenses. Now, if you have prescription lenses, they have an insert that goes right behind the protection glasses here to help you wear prescription lenses. So to me, these are perfect for everything: shotgun shooting, rifle shooting, pistol shooting. It's all connected, and your hearing protection, which is so vital, is protected. So we're allowed to wear these for about an hour or so. We're going to go walk around and try them out at the different things here at Industry Day at the range and see how well they work. We'll see you in a few minutes. First stop, Rock Island. We love these guys. We always check them out every year. So we're going to try it out and test the new hearing and eye protection and see how that goes. So here we go.
Alloy frame, steel slide and barrel on it. It's the CCO movement carry.
That's pretty awesome. All right, we shot 10mm pistol. That was actually really cool. The action was extremely heavy, so control of the slide was a little difficult, but overall it was a nice gun to shoot. I really enjoyed it. The hearing and glasses sequence worked amazing. So we're shooting 10mm, and hearing was rock solid, and the glasses didn't move at all. So far, very impressed with these. Alright, we're going to be shooting rifle. This is a 6.5 Creedmoor. I want to see how it works with the system here.
Alright, let's take a spin. Where are we dialed into? Almost 1,000 yards. All the way up? Yeah, exactly. The further top. Let's do it. Is that the mag? No, just put it inside. Yeah, just chamber the round. Yeah.
So with the ears and the magnetic glasses, what I like is it's 100% a comfort fit. Man, this is so much fun.